To make the most of an excursion to Ayutthaya, smart planning and practical preparation are essential for navigating the tropical climate and expansive site layout. Travelers should plan to start their exploration early in the morning around opening time to beat both the intense midday heat and the peak tourist crowds arriving from the capital. Dressing respectfully by covering shoulders and knees is mandatory when entering sacred active grounds and temple ruins, while wearing comfortable, breathable clothing and sturdy walking shoes is vital for exploring uneven brick foundations and wide dirt courtyards. Renting a bicycle near the train station or hiring a local tuk-tuk driver for a half-day fixed rate provides the most efficient and flexible transportation strategy for moving between widely scattered monuments across the island. Finally, staying hydrated, carrying sunscreen, and taking time to enjoy a riverside meal featuring local culinary specialties like boat noodles will ensure a deeply rewarding and unforgettable journey through Thailand's imperial past.